Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to represent enum. So guys, we can easily represent enum in Python using the enum module and the class as well. So let us move to the VS Code over here. The very first thing that we will be doing is from the enum module we will be importing the enum class. So we import enum over here. So guys, basically this is the way in order to import one particular class from a module. So as you can see, we use the from keyword followed by the name of the module, that is enum in this case, and then we are importing just one class, that is enum over here. And then guys, let's say we want to define our own enum, so we will say class over here, and let's say we want to define the list of days. So over here we will give the name of the class as day, and then inside the open and close brackets we will provide this enum class over here. And then guys, after colon we need to define the name and value pairs over here. So let's say we have the name as Monday, which is one of the days in the week, and the value that we give to this particular name, that is Monday, it is 1 over here. And then guys, we can have another name, that is Tuesday, which is another day of the week, and the value that we give is 2 in this case. And then we have Wednesday over here, and then the value that we give is 3, and so on. We can have the name value pairs over here. In this case guys, you can have any name value pairs based on your requirements over here, but this is one of the ways in order to define enums in Python. Now guys, how do we access this? So basically we can simply use the print statement over here. So we say print, and then in order to print one of the members of the enum, we can simply use this day variable over here. So we say day followed by dot, and then we have, let's say if we want to print the member, that is Monday over here, so we will simply use Monday in this case. So this is the expression, that is the name of the class and then followed by dot and then the name of the enum over here in order to print the enum member. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, it says day dot Monday, that is being printed over here. Now guys, let us say we only want to print the left hand side, that is the name of the enum over here. So what we will be doing is, again let's say we have another print statement, and then we will say day followed by dot and then Monday, that is one of the names over here, followed by dot, and then we have something called as name in this case. So guys, this is the attribute that can be used in order to print just the value of the name of the enum over here. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, we are getting Monday, that is a name of the enum, which is Monday over here. Now let us say we want to find the value of that particular name, that is Monday. So what we can do is, instead of having the name, we can have the value. So what we will do is, over here only we will have comma, and then we will have hyphen over here. So on the same line we will give the value as well. So we will use day again followed by dot, and for the Monday name we want to get the value. So after Monday we specify dot followed by value in this case. So guys, basically this value will help us in order to get the right hand side value of this particular enum member. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, we have got Monday and then followed by hyphen and then 1, that is the value of this enum, which is having the name value pairs as Monday and 1 respectively. The same way we can get the name value pairs of Wednesday as well. So over here, instead of Monday we can simply provide Wednesday over here. I'll simply copy and paste this for the value as well. So let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, we have got the name as Wednesday and the value as 3 this time. So guys, this is the way that we can represent enum in Python programming language. Please make sure that you practice on your own so that on different inputs you get different outputs. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to return multiple values from a function. So stay tuned.